Well, when I first arrive at a fire claim, I like to make sure that everybody's safe.
We protect all the floors, we vacuum, we sweep, we do what's necessary so that we don't grind in anything on the flooring of a home.
By people walking on fire-contaminated areas and being contaminated by shoes.
When we first arrive at a house and we start viewing the contents that the homeowner has occurred over the years, their personal possessions, we like to take special care of them and wash them thoroughly and carefully.
Loss mitigation on a fire loss is a crucial step.
We would clean flat surfaces, light fixtures, porcelain items.
And if you go in right away and you get these acids off there, then we can, obviously you can save those things.
We then determine what processes are going to be needed for cleaning and deodorization.
We would bring in air scrubbing equipment to filter the air,
which basically takes out any of the impurities in the air, dust, dirt, and smoke odors out of the home.
The next step would be deodorization process.
Well, the purpose of the thermofog equipment is to get the smoke molecules or smoke odor out of the air.
Thermal fogging actually envelops smoke molecules that are in the airflow of the home or business. It encapsulates that smoke molecule and actually drops it down to the surfaces that can then be vacuumed and or cleaned to remove the smoke. Then we would actually move into the structure cleaning portion, which would encompass either mechanical means of wet cleaning and or dry cleaning of the structure, walls, and or carpetings.
And then we can either knock heavy soot off the walls, off the ceilings, and then we wash them to get them ready for a contractor to seal and paint, therefore eliminating odor.
The contents cleaning on site would be utilized. In some cases, the soap and bucket methods would be to clean and rinse and towel dry.
We can use our ultrasonic machine, which uses sonic vibrations to clean off the smoke particulate from the contents.
If there's contents that are going to be in the way for the cleaning or the replacement of wallpaper, drywall, ceilings, and so forth, sometimes rooms would have to be packed up, moved out.
The very first step that we would do on a pack out would be to evaluate the contents to determine if they're salvageable or not. Then inventorying all the contents that are salvageable through our POI system.
So every piece has a barcode.
Bubble wrap, shrink wrap, put a label on top of the box, and then put it into our storage bins.
And clean back at our facility on South Avenue.
This is the first step of the process of cleaning the contents. We start in this room, evaluate them, take them into there, let the girls clean them, and then after that's all done, we bubble wrap them, ozone them, and load them into the bins.
In the electronics department, one of the state-of-the-art pieces of equipment to clean electronics is the dry ice cleaning procedure.
This is an ice blaster. We use it to clean electronics, especially in heavy soot situations. What used to take us hours to clean circuit boards and television sets, now we're dealing with 20 minutes to a half hour cleaning process.
The final step would be the cleaning of the upholstery and carpet cleaning.
Put the storage bins on our moving truck, bring it back to the residence, unload the boxes, and place them in the corresponding rooms that we took them out of.
We completely set that back up for them once we arrive back at the job site. If it's the electronics part of it, it is all taken in and hooked up and tested and making sure that everything is working right.
When all the cleaning is done and they can move back home, that's when I get the biggest pleasure out of working for AAA Standard Services.